Today I'm going to show you how to run VBA macros in Outlook. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are in Outlook Classic. Outlook Classic is a paid desktop version of your Outlook that comes standard on your Windows system. So once you've got that, make sure that it says try the new look on the top right and it's toggled off. You may also find this in the help tab over here. You might find the switch to classic look depending on which version you're using. So what we're going to do now is go over to file on the top left in the ribbon and come down to options, and the very first thing you need to do is come down over here and look for customize ribbon. So in the left side over here, these are all the commands that you're able to add to the right hand side. Now make sure that you click over here and click on all commands and go down all the way to V. Let's carry on here, and you will find Visual Basic Editor. Now what you do is you click on that. On the right hand side, make sure that the developer tab is clicked or checked, and then you will open it up and click on New tab and click on the Visual Basic Editor and click on Add. This will make sure that this Visual Basic Editor is underneath your developer tab over here on your ribbon. Once you've done this, click on OK, and now go to Developer, Visual Basic. In Visual Basic, this is what will open up, and by default you will see Project 1. Now on this Project 1, open this up and open up Microsoft Outlook, and you'll have this Outlook session. Go ahead and double click on this and you will have this code block over here. Here you can add your VBA code and it saves automatically. You can close this and you can close this again and it will be automatically saved.